So for this week's spread, I decided to do indoor plants. My stepmom has plant shelves like this up against a big window, and I thought they would look really cool as a weekly layout. So I drew shelves with different levels and filled in some sections with different types of plants sitting on them in between the sections for the days of the week. After that, I wrote the names of the days at the top of each section with a brush pen and added numbers at the bottom since it drives me crazy if I don't have the date and the day of the week on my weekly spreads. Then it was just a matter of coloring the shelves as well as the plants and pots, which was actually a little challenging since I don't have many brown markers, as I pointed out on my June setup. I did try to use the reddest brown for the flowers, and the medium tan I only used for the shelf divides, to at least stay a little consistent. After that, the quote went in the top section I left open. Gardening adds years to your life and life to your years. Before I went through and added some gold accents with my gel pen. And lastly, I added a repeating scroll across the bottom that says June week 4 over and over. And that's it for June 2020. Sorry, I somehow missed the first 2 weeks. I just got caught up with Mermaid and then my June giveaway. So it got away from me. Speaking of the June giveaway, if you are watching this before July 15th, 2020, then please don't forget to check out my huge Copic sketch giveaway, where you can win one of 12 prize packages, each including Copic sketch markers, a Crescent Render No Bleed drawing pad, and lots of other useful things for doing your own illustrating. I hope you'll participate. Please like this video and subscribe for more bullet journal uploads, and until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye!